people talking all this smack about getting rid of their motorcycles, and I don't see nothing on Craigslist for real cheap. But I see all this talk in like social media forums, not social media, but you know, you turn on your phone and you see this and that. You look at all these people talking smack. And you look at Craigslist, there ain't nothing different than there was 4 months ago on the damn Craigslist. So like a lot of people run their mouths and don't back it up. And then there's the guy that blew his $40,000 motorcycle up, but he's out of touch because he's fucking filthy rich to be doing that anyway. He's got his own company. He's got a mountainside that he's shooting off of from another mountainside to blow up his bike with, you know, bullets that cost fucking probably $20 a bullet, you know what I mean? And he's shooting them off like they're fucking 22 rounds. Fucking people, man, in their country are way out of touch, man. Way out of touch with the guy who's scraping to get by, you know. And it's sad, man. People are sending stuff overseas. Yo, people have been doing that shit for a very long time. Look at your Harley-Davidson shirts, man, made in Hades, or Haiti or whatever. And you know, half the crap in my house. If I burned everything that I had that wasn't made in America, I wouldn't have much, you know. And you know, I'd buy a Chevy, I'd buy a Harley, you know. I bought a 17, so that shit, like, I ain't getting rid of that. I'm dying with that motherfucker. If I don't wreck that motherfucker long, knock on wood, you know what I'm saying?